got a fish, guys. This is an even smaller rod. He might be off though. He's probably off. Oh, he's on. He's on. Yep. Got a small snake. This is like small little. This is definitely a juvenile snakehead. It's probably about maybe 14 inches, 15 inches or something. I'm not a D-bag. She's going back. Can't believe some people take snakeheads this size. Like, he's tiny, man. Like, why would you take him? But I just got to get this hook out real quick. This is on the OSP Spintail Frog. All right, I'm trying to get this thing off.